we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Good morning. Happy Vlogmas day one. I honestly can't believe it's December already. I don't know, it just seems crazy. I think I just had a dog join me here. So I am already sat down at my desk this morning because this year is a little bit different. Oh, you know what? By the way, hi, my name is Natalie. If this is the first time you're watching this Vlogmas, welcome to my YouTube channel. I do podcasts every week and I'm so glad to have you here. Yeah, I don't know. The morning has just snuck up on me, like December 1st, I can't believe it's here already. Anyway, I'm already sat down at my desk because for the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna be working from home, which is great. I love working from home, but it's very different. I'm a teacher and normally I would be taking you in to work with me. I would be doing my advents during lunch. It's a very different year this year. If you need more Vlogmas, I have 2 other years of Vlogmas. I'll link the playlist down below so that you can go like watch those in between if you need more. Also, if you're looking for some other amazing people's Vlogmases, I have a list on the side of my channel. I think if you're on your phone, you have to click like channels and it will show you like other people that I've collaborated with, a lot of whom have a Vlogmas series. So anyway, go check those out. But I really had intended to do my Advent in the morning and this morning has just gotten away from me. This is my first day back to work. So I think tomorrow I need to wake up earlier, but I have a few minutes here. That's why I'm sat at my computer. I'm gonna get my computer started. I'm gonna open up day one here of my Advent calendar and then I will try to at least wind it before I have to get to work. I think I have like 10 minutes anyway. So let's do that.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine.
This yarn totally matches me today. It's like exactly the same color as my sweatshirt, which is really funny. So it looks like this year we've got labels on this yarn. So I have the Advent calendar from Dragon Horde Yarn and Yarn Cafe Creations. It's a mother and daughter like duo. They each have their own yarn company. So Tristan, she's got Dragon Horde Yarn, and then on the alternating days it will be from Yarn Cafe Creations. So that'll be really fun. But I love this. It's a Harry Potter advent calendar. It is themed in the 4th year, and I totally like forgot that what I like to do is I like to guess the names by the color. And my husband will try to guess the color by the names, but since we don't have a list, that's gonna be kind of hard this year. Usually it's on a separate list. So I don't know what we're gonna do this year. I mean, I've already opened up the first day, so it's too late, but maybe we'll talk about it. But this is Rita Skeeter Beetle. So if you are familiar with the Goblet of Fire, you'll know that the reporter Rita Skeeter, she can transfigure into a beetle, and that's how she like hears all the going-ons at Hogwarts. So anyway, it's 8 o'clock. I have to get to work, but I probably will try to wind this up at some point, maybe later at lunchtime, and I will show you what I'm gonna do with it.
To keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
Hi, my name is Natalie Coons. I am a reading interventionist for K2 and a testing coordinator, and this is my It's my 4th year, my 7th year with.
Ooh, I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna.
It was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am glad I took yesterday off. Sounded crazy.
So annoyed by all of our texting.
I was like, this is actually perfect because then they can get it all figured out and I'll just come back on Tuesday.
Love and joy, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. With you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe.
Oh my goodness. It's what? I don't even know what time it is, 11 maybe? All I've really done today, my first day of work, is had an interview, a Zoom interview, and a meeting on Zoom. That's it. And I'm so tired. Not tired, just like mentally exhausted. I'm letting the dogs play outside a little bit in our little backyard. It's very windy, so I kind of stepped inside, just inside the door, but it's cold today, but it's nice and sunny. So I figured they could, you know, get outside and goof around a little bit. Didn't you just go to the bathroom? Didn't you just go to the bathroom? I try not to let them go in the backyard. Seriously, dog? You are so gross. Hey. Toaster. Toaster. You don't want to play outside anymore? You want to play outside? You can come outside. Do you want to go inside instead? Okay, come on, let's go. I need to transfer these papers onto my iPad, so let's do that as quickly as we can.
It was the night before Christmas.
This is how you make boring work more fun. Watching YouTube. This is my friend Nikki, the Clean Nest. So let's watch some Christmas.
When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that
I got all of those done. Still have all of these to go, but that's gonna have to wait until tomorrow because it is lunchtime.
this Christmas song. Decorating the tree from this Christmas song. was next door. We talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree.
We had a great lunch. In fact, we ended up like just sitting on the couch for a couple hours, and I fell asleep for, I don't know how long it was, not very long, a couple minutes, and the dogs and Kent are all just still sleeping, which is great. I have half days right now of work, just because that's how they decided that like virtual learning would be for these next 2 weeks, and we'll have to go to school for another week in June. Who knows? It could all change. But anyway, that's what the plan is right now. I am loving the half days, so I'm not going to complain. Need a little more light. What is happening here? Maybe if I go this way. Okay, well, this will just have to do. Anyway, here is that square all finished. So every single day of Vlogmas, I will have this pattern linked in the description box in case you are looking for it and you don't have to come back to the first day. I'll have it every single day. But this is just one of my patterns. It's a granny square. So if you know how to make granny squares, you really don't need a pattern, but if you want one, it's free. I have it on Ravelry. I have it on my blog. I also have a video tutorial. All of that will be down below, but it's super easy. It probably takes me 30 to 45 minutes to make one, and so it makes it the perfect project to do every day for Advent. I've been making these granny squares for the last 2 years. I guess I had like a Harry Potter mini set that I made them, and then I got the Harry Potter Advent and I was like, oh, I'll make squares too. And then it just started to become like a thing. Harry Potter, I'm gonna have a Harry Potter blanket one day. I haven't done anything else, but I do think what I'll do is end up picking a solid color to put one less round on all of them and then attach them with that solid color. But that's for another day. Okay, so right now, here, come this way. All right, so even though I don't have to work in the afternoon for school, I do have a lot of other stuff that I do. And today I'm finally gonna do something that I've been putting off for like 6 months, because I edit all of my video right now and for the past 2 years on my phone. And that's been fine, but it is a little bit limiting, and it like hurts me because I'm like looking at my phone literally all day, every day. There are some weeks where I put out 5 videos. Most weeks it's 2, but 2 to 5 or 3, whatever. Anyway, so I'm finally gonna learn to edit on my computer. I have a brand new computer, my first Mac, and I'm really excited to use it, but I've also just been putting off learning how to use the editing software. So today, I'm going through those tutorials. I'm gonna learn it today. I am making this moment special I made myself some hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate. I love making it from scratch. I don't do the powdered packets because it's just so much better this way. Basically, it's like the Hershey's cocoa recipe. Anyway, so I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna learn how to do this because I have some cute little footage I wanna put together for Vlogmas today, and I probably will still edit Vlogmas on my phone just because I'm comfortable with it, but we'll see. We've got 25 days of this. Maybe I'll get more comfortable and I can start doing it on my computer even faster, but all right, here we go. I'm gonna do it. I just did all the tutorials that came with it and I have no idea what I'm doing still. So I'm gonna try to make this little Vlogmas intro on the computer, but if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna do my phone because I remembered that it's actually Tuesday and not Monday. So I have my Zoom knit group tonight and I really want to be able to go to that at 6. And so it's 3:13 right now. So it's okay if I can't get this accomplished today. I think it's going to take me many days and weeks to understand how to do this, just like it did when I was learning how to edit on my phone. So yeah, I'm going to give it a try. You'll see when this goes up how I did. But anyway, you won't be able to tell if it's on the computer or not, unless I can get some cool fonts. Anyway, I'm going to give it a try. Are there any good doggies that want to go on a walk? Oh, see a good doggy right here, except that he's barking.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe.
So it is almost exactly 5:30. I can hear the dogs coming down. Hi, buds. It's almost their dinner time, but not quite. I've actually got our dinner in the rice maker. I made some food yesterday. We have leftovers, so I just need to make the rice, which is so easy. I love leftover night. I'm also in my pajamas because I got all showered after my run. That's just the best feeling ever. So I have about 30 minutes until it's time for my knit night, my Zoom knit night, which we do for about 2 hours. And so I am gonna sit here and I'm gonna work on Vlogmas from today. I'm gonna do it on my phone because I don't have this editing thing down, because I want to be able to hang out with my husband later today. We work all day long, seriously, so busy, and nighttime is our time to get to hang out from about like 8 to 10. So that's what I wanna be able to do. I think I'm gonna work on see, this is about how much I have left over. Actually, let's go weigh that real quick. I want to see. I've just got my little scale here on my shelf. I've got a whole yarn room tour. I'll try to remember to link that. And it's 10 grams. So it's not quite enough to do 2 rows on my granny stripe blanket, but it is enough to do 1. So I'll do my 1 row, which is good because those rows take me like 30 minutes. So 30 minutes for my granny square, 30 minutes for a granny stripe, 1 hour a day of advent. That's enough. And then after that, I will work on my slip stravaganza because that thing's been a whip for a long time and it needs to be done before the end of the year, mentally for me in my head. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking so I can work on editing, and I will get back with you in a little bit when I am doing my Zoom knit night.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Both of these little doggies have been sleeping. They're both like simultaneously twitching, but I just know. I just finished up knitting. I'm gonna take this upstairs, spend some time with Kent. But I have a feeling that the second I get up, they're gonna get up. So let's just see what happens. Oh. I guess I was wrong. They are really that sleepy. Well, I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 1, 24 more to go. You know, it's so fun to share these advents with you, with my little advent calendar and all the projects that I'm doing. Hopefully I'll have even more fun stuff to share with you. A lot of staying at home. That's just how it is right now. But don't forget everything, all the projects, and I'll link last year's, like the last 2 years Vlogmases too, if you want to watch some. And don't forget to check out some other people's that I have in my little community tab and stuff. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I've decorated everything.